Assalamu alaikum. This is Shabir Hussain Bhatti and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Our today's topic is to learn and understand the use of Format Painter. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and share this video with your friend and family members. Okay, so Format Painter, as you can see, this icon is used to copy and paste the formatting of the data from one location to another location. This tool is very useful when we need to copy the format, because no need to waste your time. If you already have a formatted data, copy the format and paste on separate data. So it will save you a lot of time. And keep in mind, this feature is used within the spreadsheet. If you have the formatting in other spreadsheet, you will not be able to use this feature in different spreadsheet, but in the same spreadsheet, different tab, no problem, you can use it. Let us see how it works. It's practice time. Okay, I already create this sheet just as a practice sheet to save our time. So just to tell you, as you can see, this is already have some formatting, but I need exactly formatting of this sheet. Okay, so let us copy the formatting first. Click, select the data and then click on format pane, and then go back to your original sheet and just click. Wow, so you can see it is already formatted based on the format used in this spreadsheet. Very useful, very simple and very powerful. This is the real use of Format Painter. This is really interesting. And again, if you have some like here, you already have the format of the date, you already have format of some numbers. Just type the number and then apply the same format painting. Okay, just click on the percentage and apply on the other one. Click on and you can see it's working. And you can also change any point of time. It's okay to change from one format to another format. So whatever the format is, it will give you 100% format of so from source to the destination. Like, just click on the format and click here, it will give you the 100% formatting what was applicable or applied on the previous location, the source location. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please hit the like button. If you really like this video, share this video with your friend and family members, and also give me your feedback. Thank you very much.